Finding the perimeter of a figure. Okay, on this one we have an isosceles triangle, so this is going to be 3a plus 5. Now then, what I like to do is just line everything up. So let's write down 3a squared plus 2a minus 1, and let's put the 3a under the 2a, the plus 5 under the 1, the plus 3a, and the plus 5, right? And you're just going to add and go down. So negative 1 plus 5 is a positive 9. 2 plus 3 is a 8a. And we have 3a squared, don't we? Okay, another way to do this is this way. You could line them up this way. 3a plus 5 plus 3a plus 5 plus 3a squared plus 2a minus 1. You would single underline the a squared. You would double underline all your a's. And you would triple underline your constants, wouldn't you? You would get the same answer though, right? Okay, this one's pretty tricky, and it's a little bit easier if you do this, okay? So we're going to line up all of our units here. So we have a negative t squared s. Is there any other t squared s's? It's right here in it. So let's put, we don't have much room to write it here. Let's put negative t squared s, and then I'm going to put 4t squared s below it. And this is a minus 1 in it, plus 4t squared s. Now then, do I have a ts? I have a ts here and a ts here, don't I? This is a double underline. So let's put the 2ts. We have a plus 1ts, and we have a plus 6ts, right? And then, let's see, we have a ts squared here. Did we get rid of that one? Ts squared. No, that's a t squared s. Now then, do we have any more r squared s's? Let's see, this is a ts squared. These two are the same, right? Triple underline these. So write down 6ts squared, and we have a minus 3ts squared. This is really tricky here. And then this negative 8r squared s, there's no other r squared s, is there? So write down negative 8r squared s. Now then, we're going to group these and combine them. So this would drop, and I'm going to put the answer, I'm going to put it up here. So this would drop into the answer, negative 8rs. What's 6 minus 3? It's going to be a plus 3ts squared. Then negative 1 plus 4 is a plus 3t squared s. And then right here, 6 and 1 is 7 plus 9ts. So this right here would be our answer, wouldn't it? That's really tricky. You won't have one on the test that's like this with all these unlike terms. It's going to be very similar to that.